Last time we completed Twitter.
Yeah.
Campaign was left.
Mm-hmm.
Just give me 1 second. So many tabs are open now, so even I'm not able to just log out all the tabs. Turn. The account is bad. Vijay, if you can log in on your laptop also, that also will be doing. I mean, like we can do it
Login
simultaneously.
where?
Yeah.
Login where?
Log into twitter.com.
I am not very sure which is my account. Second. Long pencils. Or shall we create one?
Yeah, you can create. Not an issue. Why it's taking so
Or you
much of
wanted the old one? That's a Twitter, but because those days and all, I used to just.
See, it is by your default, it will come X only. It won't be
Okay.
Twitter anymore now.
I know.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wait, I'm just logging, but I don't know why it's taking so much of time. Just check once again. Taking. Huh. Okay. So Vijay, we'll start here. Okay. After
Mm.
I'm done with by showing, the campaign, you can log into your account and do the
I'll
practical.
have to create a new one. I am not able to find my account.
Ah, it's fine, it's fine. You can create a new one. Not an issue.
That would be better for me also.
Yeah, not an issue. So for more,
So this is the login page, right?
yeah,
Home page. Home page.
yes. Homepage.
Okay. Okay. This is yours.
Why today uh, it is taking time? Okay, go to ads.
Who's there? Who's Prayug?
What happened?
No, no, I'm just asking. Somebody.
Okay. So Vijay,
Hmm.
after clicking on the ads, you have to select the objective why you want to run this ad.
Acha, acha. Okay.
Okay, you want to create a reach, you want engagement, website traffic, keywords, whatever.
So in my case, it will be reach, right?
Yeah. So website, though we don't have
What
engagement.
is website traffic?
Website traffic, like, you have a lot of people commenting on Twitter. You're just driving the traffic from here to your website. You're calling them and have a look at your website. Suppose you have promoted about some new brand. For
Hmm.
example, you can say iPhone 16 Pro has launched and there is a lot of demand. There is so and so
So
feature.
you're directing them from X
Yes,
to
yes,
website.
to your website because you don't only have iPhone products, you have Android also. Okay,
Hmm.
and it's not only phone you have desktop, laptop, MacBook, XYZ, so that they can explore all your products, not only one product.
So it's basically from Twitter, you are directing them to website.
Website, yes,
Okay, as simple as that. Okay.
yes.
And
So
engagements is.
engagement is like people are liking how many people, for example, you have added some, buy one get one free offer. How many people are liking it?
Hmm.
Interested, where they
Hmm.
ask, which are the colors available, where are you located? So that is what the engagement. It depends upon your post, how you create. If your post is interactive, then only people like
Hmm.
or they might share these kind of posts on other platforms or to their friends also. So if you want more engagement on your post, then you can go for the engagement. But the post has to be created like that. If there is no offer, it is just normal post,
Hmm.
you won't get a single like also. There has to be some interaction in your post. Okay. So now our
Understood.
company is new. So we'll be going with the reach, get more people to see my ad so that it's like reach and awareness almost same. Next, like create a reach add text. For example, what is the situation in California or whatever? I mean, like, see, here, this platform is about all talking about live things happening in the world.
Hmm. Hmm.
Anything,
Hmm.
the war you say, or the climatic change you say, or XYZ. So, as per that, you will be getting those answers, you'll be getting those comments on that. Okay, like,
So is it beneficial if you browse this Twitter on a daily basis or no?
yeah, yeah, it is. See, it all depends upon your product and category.
Acha. No, otherwise also even
Huh. Like, see, if you want, for example, if you are a politician, just in
hmm.
case,
Hmm.
okay, where have you, I mean, like, in which cities you are going every day, or, where all you'll be, speaking with them,
Hmm.
what all activities you're performing, what all, schemes you are launching, and you
Hmm.
want other competitors also know and even those who are not from my party and
Hmm.
if I show this what I'm doing for these people, if they come across कि अरे he is giving so much of benefit, he is giving education free, he is giving so farmers loan free with zero interest XYZ, so
Hmm.
maybe वहां का ट्रैफिक हमारे पास आ जाए.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
बोलते हैं ना कि what we say, I mean, like in other words, suppose if because see we won't be telling everyone कि अरे मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ वैसे कर रहा हूँ, but ये ऐसा platform है कि whatever you speak, it will be indirectly reach to your competitor also. He will be also aware कि अरे so and so scheme he's using. That's why he's getting so much of votes or so much
Hmm.
of importance. So this is
Hmm.
what the platform is. Even celebrities they do this only. Like, they so and so like
Hmm.
singers, they have like live performance.
Hmm.
So that other celebrities also get here, yaar, this is also good thing. When I don't have movies now, I can go
Hmm.
for Big Boss. I can go for, live events,
Hmm.
for any shows and all. So this is that platform. So
Okay.
yeah, where you can get a lot of engagement. That's it. So now if we check what is the situation in California. एक second, just come here. Okay. So see, whatever I'll be typing here, okay, you'll get to see on the right side. What is the situation in California? Okay, yeah. फिर whatever answer you want to promote, whatever content you want to promote. So
So
as
what
per
is the
your
situation in
question,
California? Okay. Hmm.
yeah, anything. I mean, like suppose if you want to talk like, you have come up with so and so products, or you are into organic products, like mixed seeds and all. So with the image, you will be posting it. So people who will like, they will comment here, or they will share, they will like, and they might, download also. So
Hmm.
these all, uh, this what we say, features will be performed here as per your question or as per your content. ठीक है. So here California मैंने ये put up किया, and if you want to add the image of California, you can add, or else we
So
can
what is
add.
ad media?
Media means image, video,
Ah, okay,
or
okay. Yes, sir.
yeah, anything. Wait, I'll
I
just
thought
add.
the other one. Okay, fine.
No, no, no. Learn digital marketing to build your. Okay, if I add media, I'll just see whether I have a image. Just check. Just let me just check. I think this is. Your media couldn't be uploaded. The photo is too small. I'll just check with
It's too
other.
small.
Yeah. Mm. That day only I just deleted because just take the. Just check. No, this is also not accepting. Just check this. Uh-huh. So you need to check with which are the sizes for Twitter where you can create the images. See, this is the side. Suppose the text ad, it should be 280 characters and it will be just text. Okay. And if you want to go with the image ads, you need to check with the size. Five MB होना चाहिए. Your size of the text ad should be 5 MB. And PNG and JPEG are recommended. We do not accept BMP or TIFF files. Okay. So it has to be 5 MB. So in Canva also, you can go and check. You can check on Google also. Size, image, size for Twitter post. So 1200 by 675 or 600 by 335. ठीक है, 600 by 335. So we'll log into Canva. Okay, we'll select, or you can take social media also. Okay. More, say custom size 600 by what was it? 335 है, हाँ 335. Yes, for the digital marketing. Okay, we'll just take this. Okay, so now if okay, it is still not accepting.
Size is too
We have
large.
taken no, I mean it is showing small, but we have selected as per it has given no. Say it's already. Wait, we'll cancel this. एक second. No, it's not accepting. I think this size was. I think this size is also same size only. This is Instagram post size. Here, if you want to add a video, you can add a video also.
Yeah.
So we'll take photo. And then learn digital marketing to build your career. As per that, you need to create. ठीक है. And then confirm. I'll just check if it is accepting. Last try. Okay. Maybe a high resolution image you need to put up. This is small. Next. You do one thing, you can try with the size 1200 by 675 pixel. See.
1200,
Or 1600 by 900 pixel. 1600 by या फिर 10 वो जो I think जो which I have been posted now, that nail art वाला, it is of this size. 1080. So 1600 by 900 pixels also will try now. Why today the network or the portal is slow, I guess. Why it's taking so much of time? Wait, I'll do back. Vijay, have you logged in from your laptop?
No, yeah.
Just check now from your end whether the portal has a issue or I have a network issue. If you can log in,
It's
I'll
two
stop sharing.
indicator.
Can you stop? Can you share your screen if I stop it? Loading, loading.
Here,
Will you be able to share?
I shared.
Okay, wait, I'll just stop sharing. Huh, okay. Log into Twitter. Or else first create the image. Let's see.
Twitter, I think I'll have to go for a new account.
Okay.
We are taking it, right?
Yes. Take the size 1080 by 1080. Yeah, फिर check on again a new tab. Uh, I think it was 1600 by
900.
हाँ. Uh, select social media और कस्टम साइज पे क्लिक करो. हाँ. 1600 by wait.
900, right?
एक minute, let me just confirm again. Still my image is loading only. 1600 by 900 pixel.
Twitter video, right?
नहीं post. हाँ post you can take. हाँ Twitter post. और Twitter ad, I think it was the same size.
Anything?
Now select any image. Share, download. Right side, share. हाँ. Download. Hmm.
Download again?
Yes.
No.
No, no. It's downloaded, na? Download करो. Click. Hmm. Okay. Log into your Twitter account. Your design contains premium content. Unlock our entire content library of. अरे how come it wasn't a pro? अच्छा, go back. इसमें कुछ है भी नहीं कि वो प्रीमियम लगे. It did it download, Vijay?
I don't know.
Just
Let me
check in
just.
your documents or somewhere whether it is downloaded or what. Hmm. नहीं.
नहीं.
Select other image. Yeah. Select other image. Any,
Oh,
don't
this
take
is.
premium one,
I know.
free one. Just check. I hope it's not premium one. It wasn't premium, no?
No.
Huh.
No, no.
Okay, take it.
Share.
Hmm. Download.
All this needs to be ticked? No.
No, no, no. But
You
why
just
it
give
should
down.
call premium?
Okay. Here it is
Now it's
downloading.
downloading. Hmm. You have downloaded, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So why are you taking screenshot?
No, no, no. I didn't take a screenshot. I was just editing.
Okay. Okay, now log into Twitter.
You log into your account, na? Or I'll have
Yeah,
to open.
huh?
Okay. Your account, you're open. Logging?
No, mine is it's still loading only. Wait, if you
Achha.
want, I can show you again. See,
Then I have to open a new one.
still loading. Why it's still loading, God knows.
Let me just check whether it is going to come or no.
Sign in with Gmail.
This happens sometimes.
Hmm.
My God, I don't know now. 1 second, I just check.
But it's still not accepting. Forgot
Mm,
password करके देखो, you will get a OTP on your mail. Still it's loading mine.
Something wrong.
Correct again.
Hmm.
Is this email ID working?
Very much. Mm.
Okay, then we'll do one thing, Vijay. We'll connect the next week. Till then, I'll just check with my
Mm.
account also. What is the issue?
Okay.
You know?
Mm.
And you also try login to your
I'll
account.
try. I'll try.
Yeah. Because mine, why it's loading? I mean, like, I just done this last month only with the other batch. No doubt, I'm not active on this Twitter more, but yes, I mean, like, I am logging to my account. Okay, so then
Mm.
we'll connect next week. I mean, sorry, on Friday, and we'll get it done.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, chalo then. Bye,
Bye.
Vijay.
Bye.
Take
Bye.
care.